has now more than 2.27 billion users, and that is an excellent opportunity to reach out to your customer and stay in touch with them if you are running a business. Facebook presents you with a powerful way to communicate with your customers, allowing you to keep them updated with your products or services without having them to visit your business premises. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page for your business step by step. I'm Bharti Sharma, CEO at Digital Masters Hub, the agency where businesses turn to for better online visibility, more traffic to their website, and more customer to their businesses. If you are new to this channel, why don't you click on the subscribe button and press a bell icon below so that you get notified as soon as I publish a new tutorial. Now let's get into the topic. How to set up your Facebook page step by step. Before you create a Facebook page, you need to have a personal Facebook profile. If you have one, log into your Facebook account. If you don't, you will need to create one. Step 1. Create a Facebook page. To do that, click on the triangle at the top in your Facebook account. Then click on Manage Pages. Then click on Create Page. Here you choose an appropriate category for your business. Once you do that, fill in the information in the form on the screen. Once you have filled the information, you can choose to show your full address or just the name of the city. And that's it. Your page is created. But it is not yet ready for your audience. So, as soon as the page is created, remember to first unpublish the page. This is because it is better to publish it once you do the branding of the page and your page is ready and presentable. To unpublish your page, click on Setting. Under General, go to Page Visibility, click on Edit and choose Page Unpublish. Now your page is not viewable to public. Step 2. Add a profile image. The profile image size should be 180 pixel by 180 pixel. This can be your product picture, your own picture as a business owner, or a short version of your business logo. It is entirely up to you how you want to represent your business. If you don't have a ready picture to upload, you can create one on a website called Canva. Let me show you how to do that. To create an image, go to canva.com. On Canva, click on Custom Dimension. Give the value 180 by 180 pixels. Then click on Create a New Design. Once you have a canvas, from here choose any image or icon that you wish. You can also upload your own image if you want under Upload section. After selecting an image from here, you can also add some text and customize your image. To add text, click on the letter T on the left side and choose text and write whatever you wish. Once you are satisfied with your image, click on the download arrow. To download your image, you can choose the file types you want, but for the purpose of logo, PNG would be a better option. Once you have your image ready, come back to your Facebook page, click on the camera icon on Profile Image, and then click on Upload Photo, and there you have it, your profile image on your page. Step 3. Add a cover image or video. A cover image size should be 820 pixels by 315 pixels. This image or video is extremely important as it makes the first impression and it is the biggest image on your page. It is also an opportunity for you to showcase your business. It is best to use a video instead of an image as a video is more attention grabbing. Also, remember to keep changing this video or image as per seasonality or trends, whatever works for your business. If you use a video, it is best to keep the video length from 20 to 90 seconds. To upload your cover image, click on the cover image and upload your video there. Step 4. Add a cover image description. This step is mostly ignored or forgotten by many businesses. But it is yet another opportunity to add more content and keywords to your page. To add the description, click on the cover image and add a description there. In this description, you can add detailed description of your business, plus keyword, plus any link that you want to add. This is a good place to add your website link. Step 5. Add a call to action button on your page. This is a good opportunity to take your visitors to your website, make them call you, message you, and engage them to convert into paying customers. To add a call to action button on your page, click on the edit button below the cover image. Choose from the options. You have options such as accept a booking, contact by message, call or email. Choose what is appropriate for your business. Step 6. Add a short description and website link to your page. In this section, also add your main keywords that you want to be found for on search. To add the short description, go to About section on the left side, scroll to Edit About Us. This section allows 255 characters. Remember to use relevant keywords in this section. Step 7. Create a vanity URL. When you create a Facebook page, it automatically creates a URL with random numbers and characters. And this URL is not user-friendly. So it is a good idea to create a Facebook URL which is short and easy to remember and share. To create a new user-friendly URL, click on the username under the profile photo and give the name you want. This will change your Facebook page URL. Step 8. Publish your page. Now the page is ready to publish. Do you remember how you unpublished your page? To publish your page, go to Settings, under General, in Page Visibility, Edit and click on Page Published. Now your page is ready with basic optimizations. But you want to further optimize your Facebook page to be found in search results? Watch my video on how to optimize Facebook page. I have provided the link in the description below. If you have any question about Facebook marketing or any other query about digital marketing topics, post it on in the comments area and I will respond to it. And if your question requires a detailed explanation, we will create a video on it for you. I hope this video was useful to you. See you in the next tutorial. Take care.